Three, two, one.
Hey there, my friends. Jason Jordan here, back with you again for day number or lesson number 6 in how to turn $20 into a full-time income step by step. So today's gonna be a relatively quick one, but it's very important. Very important. Just like all of these are very important steps to take into account whenever you're working this way. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I sure appreciate it. And like I said before, when you're watching these videos, don't just watch this one. You want to go back, watch the entire series so you know exactly what to do. These are all step by step. So what to do first, second, third, and so on. And also make sure you join with the link below. That way you're ready to go and you can start getting this done and putting it into action. These videos do you no good if you don't join and put it into action. All right. So let's jump over here and we'll just go over a real quick recap of what we've done so far. So far we've talked about log in and create your free training site, join our Facebook community, sign up for our team email list, set up your links, time blocking, set your goals, know your avatar, set up for your forwarding domain, and we go through the short form video training and some of the examples. So we've covered all of these. So those are done. And what we're going to do now with this one, we're going to go over the direct messaging format. Now you may be thinking, yeah, I know how to direct message. You're not completely wrong, but there is a specific way that you want to direct message if someone is interested in your opportunity or your business. Okay. So what we'll do, we're going to go over here and go ahead and log in to our free training site right here. And we're going to come down to how to direct message and assume the sale. Now, inside this lesson, there's going to be a video. Of course, there is a lesson PDF. So we'll just start with PDF. So guys, there's a proven format and a proven formula of how to use direct messaging whenever someone is interested in your offer. Okay. So in this, we've been able to go over all the DMs for, and whether this be for Facebook Reels, your TikTok, your Instagram, YouTube Reels, anything really. I mean, if someone reaches out and they want information, this is what you want to follow. Okay. Now, generally, I'll even go back and I'll refer to this document right here just to make sure I'm staying on track whenever I do get DMs and messages, just to make sure that I'm following the correct format. This is a proven format. All right. So here's some examples of Facebook engagement posts. So you can go in there and just do a little post and see if you can get some engagement from it. These work really well. Get quite a bit of engagement from these. And you don't want to be out there spamming all the time or spamming everybody in your box. But you can post these and see what kind of engagement that you get. Okay. We've got all the replies. Here you go. Here's some replies that you can use. We've done all this for you. All this is ready to go. Facebook, Instagram. Okay. Then your follow-ups. Now, following up is very important. So go back through, follow up. If they have any questions, then you would take care of it this way. All right. We've got comment reply for Facebook Reels. Okay. Generic messages to people in the Facebook group. And we've got 2 questions there that we always ask. And don't be afraid to ask for the sale or assume the sale. Okay. So you're going into this knowing that the offer is a premium offer. Everyone should want this. Okay. Because everyone should want this. That's a true statement. Everyone doesn't understand that. They don't understand that this is something that they need or something that they really need to have, because it's going to help them save money, and it's going to help them make extra money, and it's cheap. It's cheap to get started, and we train you how to do it. So people just need to understand this is something that they can do in their free time. It's very easy to get started, and we've got this set up so that it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. You come in, you follow the steps, and you're going to make money. You're going to save money. So there's really no reason not to join this program. All right, so we give everything in. I'm not going to go every line in detail on this document, but this is the full document, and this is a printable version. So once you get in and you do come into part of our team, then you get all these trainings. You get this video. Okay, so there's the training video that goes through it. It's very good, and these are all proven methods. Now, when I say proven methods, I mean there are people on our team right now, including myself, that are able to reply in the correct manner and close these deals easily because of this document and this training. We've got a few members that 80 or 90% of their sales come from direct messaging. And they're getting that because they're using this training and this document to go through those to use it in the appropriate way. Okay. So guys, really that is about it for today's lesson. That is really all I had planned, was just to go over this piece. If you're getting any value out of these, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. I sure appreciate it. And, we will see you for the next lesson and the next video very shortly. Until then, make sure you go back, join up so you don't get left too far behind. Follow along with these, and let's start getting you your piece. Later.